Hi, it's me, Sudarshan. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Techzone. Today, I am going to show you how to factory reset without delete any data or do full format of your PC data. First of all, you have go on CMD, press here Windows plus R key at the same time, and type your CMD. Press enter. Now you can see CMD is open. Or you can open CMD from another way. Go to the Windows search and type here CMD. Click on the first one command prompt. Here you can see CMD is open. Type here system reset, space, factory reset, and press enter. Here you can see this type of icon is open. If you want to keep your files safe or data safe, then you have to click on the first one option. If you want to delete all files of your PC, then you have to click second one, remove everything. Now I'm going to click the first one. Next, now click here reset option. This will take 4 to 5 minutes and it will automatically restart and your PC will successfully reset. Thank you for watching my video. Do like, comment, subscribe and share.